Back up, pimpin'. Back up, pimpin'. What's up with you? Shake me. Shake me. Yeah, shake. You was finna shake me.
He was. He sure was.
Shake. Give me some love, man. Give me some love for the camera. Give me some love. Why would you push him like that? I said, yes, you did. Yes, you did. Don't push him like that. Don't push him like that. Shake me, bro. Shake me. My dog. My dog. Show me some love. Bro, you was just showing me love. Don't show me some love. Mommies. You heard? Oh, yeah. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy DB Cannon back for another one. And today, I gotta head to Walgreens real fast, man. Give me a little shum. Boy, some of y'all need to get right, boy. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna keep it a beansky. Some of y'all have been neglecting this part of Walgreens. Some of y'all have been neglecting this aisle. I'm trying to tell you, boy. You got it all. You got it all. I'm trying to tell you, boy. Man, woman, boy, or girl. You're right. Bro, I hate going to the store. Because I got to get something that I don't got, bro. You know what I'm saying? Man. And then you, like ladies, bro, stuff is locked. Like, bro, why, bro? Why is this locked? It be getting dark quick as hell, boy. Real rap. He's ready to go to sleep, but we got church tonight, so I'm gonna check back in. You know, as y'all can see, I already started. You know where I'm at. You know where I'm at. As y'all can see, y'all a little late. I done already started, but yes, sir. Yes, Lord. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What the Jesus Christ?
What you mean?
The light is so bright.
You act like you ain't never seen a flash in your eye before.
Yeah, but like not like this late.
Girl, stop squinting. You can see me.
Yeah, but
What
it's
is
so,
wrong with
it's
you? What you do today?
Go to school.
What you learn?
Algebra.
Mm-hmm. Algebra, huh?
Yeah, we learning some stuff. I just started.
I see the fit.
So don't
I give you a solid like 8.5 out of 10. Shake me. I give you a solid 8.5 out of 10. You know what I'm saying? All right, but look.
I'm just not learning, so don't give me nothing hard, bro.
What you mean?
I'm just not learning it today.
Girl, pressure builds diamonds. Listen, this is what you finna spell.
Say because.
Why would I say a word that you already trying to spell?
Because.
That don't even make sense, bro. Why would I do that?
Let's do picture.
No. Listen. This is the word we finna do.
Capital.
Deployment.
Do like I want deployment.
Deployment. Spell it.
DEPLO.
Think about it. You ain't gotta rush. You do not have to rush.
DEPLOM.
No.
DEPLO.
Deploy.
A.
No.
DEPLO.
Deploy. Deploy.
E.
No. Deploy.
U.
Now you guessing. Think about the word.
DEPLO.
Deploy. Deploy. Yo.
Oh, Y.
Come on, man.
DEPLOY.
Okay.
M.
Okay.
E.
Okay.
N.
Okay.
T.
Come on, man. You better than that. What's wrong with you? Why are you folding like that? Hey, next time I come to you, you be better, but you did solid. Shake me again. You did solid. I love you.
Well, I'm sorry that I don't learn deployment or stuff like that yet.
Morgan.
If I don't learn it, what do I need to learn to spell it for? It's okay, okay? It's okay. As long as I spell it, that's all that matters.
Morgan, Logan, go ahead.